HiyaHiya crocheters, and happy Halloween! In my final Halloween video for 2020, I will be showing you how to make this Monster Beanie. This is a pattern of my own design, and I will pop a link to our Ravelry below, so please give it a go and please share your projects on there if you do. To make this, I will be using a HiyaHiya aluminium crochet hook. This one is a 3.5mm, but we do have a full range of sizes, including some large acrylic hooks and some smaller nickel plated hooks. These are perfectly light and easy to use, really smooth, with an ideal sized hook for picking up stitches without splitting your yarn. You will also need a darning needle for making up, and I am using one of our Darn It darning needles. I'm using some Basic Free magazine yarn for this, and I'm choosing a green and a purple, which I feel is perfect for a Frankenstein styled monster. I am also using our Guitar Rainbow embroidery scissors, a gorgeous looking sharp scissor, perfect for any yarn. You will also need some soft toy stuffing and your choice of material for your eyes. Now I'm going to start using my green yarn, and I am going to chain 13 stitches. 12 of these stitches are going to be my working stitches, whereas the 13th is going to be the turning chain, or turning stitch at the end. For the next 10 rows, I will be popping a single crochet in every stitch and then chaining one at the end. So 12 single crochets and then one chain. Now before I start on row 12, I'm going to switch to my purple yarn, and I am then going to continue with the previous pattern, so 12 single crochets and then chain one at the end for the next row. And for the final row, once again, I'm going to do 12 single crochets, but instead of chaining one, I'm going to fasten off. Now, for this monster, I'm going to add some stitch decorations, but you can decorate these however you wish. Mine is going to be a Frankenstein's monster, so I'm going to put some stitches around its hairline, but you can decorate these however you want. You can make a zombie, you can make a mummy, you can make whatever you want with this, but for mine I'm doing Frankenstein. So to do this, I'm using my purple yarn with a HiyaHiya Darn It darning needle. These needles are perfect for projects like this, as they come in a pack of 3, which means when I inevitably misplace one, there's usually another one not too far away. So this is one finished side of your Monster Beanie. You want to repeat this pattern again so that you have 2 pieces that will be sewn together. Okay, so now that I have 2 pieces, I'm going to pop some safety eyes on one of these pieces, and so it matches the other plushies I have been making this Halloween. I'm going to keep it simple and just do the eyes. I'm not going to sew a mouth or any other decorations really, it's just going to be 2 big eyes. And now what's left is to sew these 2 pieces together and filling it with soft toy stuffing before you reach the end. I'm going to use green yarn on the green bit, purple yarn on the purple bit, but once again you can do this however you want. You can use a different colour yarn to make it all patchwork stitched, like rough stitched together look, or you can make it really neat. And here is one Monster Beanie. It's a really simple pattern, inspired by a lot of the Halloween crochet projects I've been making recently, but it is open for variation, so you can make and decorate this pattern however you wish. I will leave a link below to the Ravelry pattern, as I would love to see any attempts that you have made. I am more of a knitter than a crocheter, so this is my first pattern I've kind of made. Even though it's really simple, I would love to see any feedback or anything you guys have attempted with it. As ever, all of the relevant links are below, please have a look at the other Halloween projects I have made. Like and subscribe as you go. We do have regular updates of product reviews, pattern reviews and general updates from HiyaHiya Europe. If you want to buy any of the products that I have used in this video, there will be a link below to all of our wonderful retailers whom you can purchase them from. And if you are a shop looking at becoming an official HiyaHiya Europe retailer, there will also be a link to registration below. That's it for this week. So until next time, happy Halloween and happy crocheting!